I am going to show you how to edit your videos. I'm going to show you right now, part 2. Okay, now I didn't get that part, so let me do this here. Let me put the man back in there. Okay, now there's a part in this where a man is walking, right? And so he's walking right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go backwards a little bit on this back button. Okay, where the man is, I'm gonna highlight this segment right here, and I'm gonna let it play on him, or he has to get it from you. And I'm gonna click that part out, and then I'm gonna highlight the little segment that I don't want, because you really can't show people unless they say okay. It doesn't matter, because I'm telling you. Now you see how smooth that was? Okay, so now I want to keep all of this part right here. Well, because this is what my day is like, right? This is what happened in my day. So I'm gonna get rid of this part, because that's too much excess. All I want is the part where I am actually writing and crossing out what I have gotten done, because I want the viewers to see what I have gotten done for the day. Okay, so then I highlight that part, and then I go straight to this. Now we have that, right? In the end, I always want to end with something. So I will go back to my media library right here. I will scroll up, and I will get this ends all of my videos right here. I go to text. Okay, stop this from rolling and rolling. I go to the text, right? And you see how the text just drops up under wherever the cursor is. Always make sure you know where you want your cursor to be. So now I have that. Let me open it up so I can see it a little bit clearer. Now you see, I put my cursor right back over here where it started. And okay, I have a particular sound that I like to use. It's called swoosh, but I'm gonna edit my text real quick. So that it can say, oh, sorry you all, forgot I gotta get down. It can say THIR 30 to FIR 50, go back a little bit, FIR 50. PRODUCTIONS Productions. Okay? So, you don't really want to see Braden again this way. You know when you take it, you just take it all out of proportion. I'm talking about what keep Braden. and I am making it white. And I'm gonna give it this color, because this color, no, I'm gonna give it the color next up to it, because I want it to match this right here. So let me see if I can. Okay, now I'm going to do that. Does it match that? Yeah. 32.50. And I am going to give it a different font that I always use on this. And one day I'm going to take my time and I'm going to make sure that this is the Callisto, and I'm going to italicize it. Okay, now play it while it's still in the project window. See, that's what I want it to look like. Okay, now I want to see what it exactly look like with the swish sound. See, now that's too much. I want to stop it right there. And I'm going to stop it right. I don't know what this is. Okay, here's what this is. Okay, let me show you. This is a piece of footage that I really want to be at the front. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this piece of footage. Okay, see if I can grab it. I'm gonna grab it. Nope, that's not gonna do it. So I'm gonna have to open it up a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so I don't need this at all. I don't need this at all. Okay, delete all that. This right here, I want to try to show you how I can take this. I don't know what happened to it, you all. Anyway, let me take another piece of footage. What if I wanted this and I want to put this over here? Okay, so all you do is you highlight it and you take it. This is why I like AVS. And you just drop it in. And it's in the front now instead of the back. Now, what if I want to add some music? So you take the music, wherever you want it to start at. I'm just going to drop it in first, okay? I'm going to drop it in. There's the music. I'm going to listen. I'm going to drop the music down because you don't want the music louder than you speaking. So test it out first. Let's see if he's here. Okay, I like the music, but I don't like it right there. So what I'm going to do is going to move it just a little bit here. Okay, now I want to duplicate it all the way across. All the way across. Now I duplicate. You can either leave this so they can hear the swoosh, or you can duplicate the music and then cut it down. That's not important right now. The only other important thing I want to do is I want to show you, I want to add one of my advertisements in. So I put the cursor right there. I added my advertisement in. Now, here it is. Right back. Are we still going to the shop today for my hair? And you see how that went. So I hope that this, I really do hope that editing with AVS will help you. I hope that I gave you some elements. The elements of editing is your content, your music, your transitions, your overlays, your titles, adding text on top of video. That's the main thing. And then in the end, you want to add some good transitions to it to make it look good. And I think that's it. I hope I helped you. Then you produce it. Might as well go ahead and show you the production, right? You produce it. It's a movie, so you select move. You go to advanced. You make it YouTube as 1280 by 720. So you gotta customize it to what YouTube want. You click next. You go to that. You click videos. And then you name your video. So I'm gonna name this Editing with AVS tool. And click create. And it's getting ready to create. And when it's finished, it's gonna tell me it's finished, and I go to my video file and it's in my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it. And gonna come back with how next to design with GIMP 2.8.